Well, here it is. It finally arrived. Let's get this bad boy open and see what we got. Radioactive. I think I need to sharpen the knife. Before we take it out of the box, let's see if we can pick up some radioactivity. Nope, none. And there we have it, some uranium ore that Hillary Clinton sold to the Russians. Just kidding. Well, let's see if we can pick up anything now. Geiger counter is showing background levels. Got a few clicks. Well, let's pop open the can and see what we got. Here is the Certificate of Measured Radiation 2021. It states that it has an activity of 1600 CPM. Geiger counter's clicking now. It already reached 100 CPMs and set the alarm off. That's the beeping you hear. Keep in mind that this Geiger counter can only pick up beta, gamma, and X-ray radiation emissions. It doesn't pick up the alpha. For this sample size, it appears to be nice and hot. Also, keep in mind I have it in the bag, so that also blocks out a lot of radiation. Have to be patient. Takes a couple of minutes for the Geiger counter to level off. Rock and mineral collector like I am, you'll have to get one of these for your collection. So it averaged out about 640. So I'm rather pleased about the purchase. Not bad. Well, there you have it. Nice little sample of uranium ore. Nice little container to keep it in. Well, okay. Stay tuned for my next video to see what items in your house you may have that is radioactive.